Hey, everyone, welcome back to Kallamotto. If you're a fan of premium cruisers and baggers, you know Indian Motorcycle always knows how to turn heads. Well, they've just announced a brand new range of factory custom bikes called the Signature Series. Honestly, these bikes look incredible, like they just rolled out of an elite custom shop, but there's a major plot twist when it comes to getting your hands on one. The Signature Series features 4 stunning Grand Tourers. Leading the lineup is the Challenger Signature Series. This bike draws inspiration from Gene Alabama Flash Walker, the legend who set an Indian land speed record of over 116 miles per hour back in 1920. It rocks a striking tritone paint scheme with hand-finished detailing, blacked-out finishes, and power band audio plus speakers. Powering, it is a 112 cubic inch PowerPlus V-Twin pumping out a claimed 126 brake horsepower and 133 pound-feet of torque. Next up is the Pursuit Signature Series. Built on Indian's luxury touring platform, it gets the same massive engine upgrade, a premium audio system, and an individually numbered production plaque. The paintwork is highly intricate, inspired by the brand's deep military roots. For the traditional bagger fans, there's the Chieftain PowerPlus Signature Series. It trades outright aggressive styling for that classic old-school V-Twin character, but gets the exact same high-end cosmetic treatment and exclusive badging. And we absolutely can't forget the ultimate long-haul machine, the Roadmaster PowerPlus Signature Series. While the baggers get dark styling, the Roadmaster leans heavy into the chrome. It features a stunning patriotic red, white, and blue paint scheme, officially called Frontier Pearl with Vigilant Blue and Revere Red accents. Designed to celebrate America's 250th anniversary, it is arguably the absolute pinnacle of the entire series. Now, exclusivity is the name of the game here, with very low production numbers worldwide. But hold on, worldwide comes with a catch. It turns out the Signature Series is currently intended for the North American market only. That means riders in the UK, Europe, and here in Asia won't be seeing these in their local dealerships anytime soon. Will Indian expand availability later down the line? That remains to be seen. But given the reaction, there's no doubt buyers across the pond would be lining up for them. What do you guys think? Are these the best-looking factory customs of the year? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next Kallamotto video.